Hello, little explorers. Today, we're going to learn some fun English words. Are you ready to learn two-letter words? Let's go. The word we will explore here is G-O, go, G. Go. U-P, up. U-P, up. When you move your feet step by step, higher and higher on the stairs, what are you doing? You're going up. We say, I go up. Can you say that with me? I go up. Say it again. I go up. Very good. When you climb stairs, you start at the bottom, that's the low part. Then you step, 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 and you reach the top, that's the high part. Going from low to high is called going up. So, if you are walking up the stairs to your room, you can say, I go up the stairs. Sometimes we can also say, up, I go. That means the same thing and it sounds like a fun little song. So next time you climb the stairs, remember to say, I go up, or up, I go. Great job, friends. Keep learning and keep climbing.
Hello again, little learners. Do you remember how we say, I go up, when one person climbs the stairs? Well, what if you and your friend go together? Then we say, we go up. Let's try it together. We go up. Yes! That means more than one person is going up. Maybe you and your friend. Or you and your family. Now let's make it fun and bouncy. We can also say, up, we, go. It means the same thing, but sounds like a game or a song. Imagine this. You and your friend are climbing a hill, and you say together, up, we, go, step by step, up, up, up. So remember, if you're going up by yourself, I go up. If you're with others, we go up. And for extra fun, up I go, or up we go. You're doing amazing. Keep going up in learning and in fun.
Hi there, Superstar Learners. We will be learning how to talk about someone else going up like your brother, a friend, or a boy in a story. Let's meet Max. Look, Max is climbing the stairs. What do we say? We say, he goes up. Can you say that with me? He goes up. That's because when we talk about just one boy, we say he, and we add an S to the word go. So, not he goed up, we say, he goes up. Now, let's make it sound fun like a little cheer. Up he goes. It means the same thing, just a different order. Max is climbing the ladder. What do we say? Up. He goes. He goes up the slide. Up he goes with pride. So remember, friends, he goes up. That's the correct way to say it. Up he goes sounds like a fun story or song. Great job! You're going up, up, up in your English skills. Hi again, little learners. Let's talk about when a girl goes up the stairs or up the slide. What do we say? Do we say, she go up? Not quite. We have to add S to the word go. So the correct sentence is, she goes up. Can you say it with me? She goes up. Just like, he goes up. She goes up. And for a fun way to say it, we can also say, up, she goes. It means the same thing, just sounds like a rhyme or a song. Let's try it in a story. Look, Mia is climbing a tall hill. What do we say? She goes up the hill. up, she, goes. Good job. So remember, not she, go up. Say, she goes up, or up, she goes. You're getting better and better every day. Up, you go. Hey there, little word experts. We will be talking about something fun, a red ball going up the stairs. So, what do we say? Do we say, it, go, up? Not quite. When we talk about one thing like a ball, a balloon, or a toy, we use the word it. And just like with he and she, we need to add an S to go. So we say, it goes up. Can you say that with me? It goes up. Great job. Now let's make it fun. The red ball bounces up the stairs. What do we say? Up! It goes! It's like magic. Let's try both. It goes up the stairs. Up it goes bounce by bounce. So remember, not it, go up. Say it goes up. Or up, it goes. Well done. You're getting good at this. Keep it up. Up you go. Hello again, little learners. Next, we will be talking about they. That means more than one person, animal, or thing. Look, 3 kids are climbing the stairs. What do we say? They go up. Can you say it with me? They go up. That's right. With they, we don't add an S to go. We say go, not goes. Again, I said, with they, we don't add an S to go. We say go, not goes. Let's try it with other fun things. 3 friends are jumping. They go up. Balloons are flying in the sky. They go up. And guess what? You can also say it like this. Up they go. It sounds like a song or a story. Let's practice both. They go up the stairs. Up they go. Step by step. Awesome job. So remember, they go up. Up they go. You're climbing higher and higher in English, just like them.
Wow, you did such an awesome job today. We learned how to say, I go up, we go up, she goes up, we go, and so much more. You're getting better and better at English, step by step, word by word. Keep practicing, keep playing, and remember, where are we going? Up we go. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Did you have fun learning with us today? Then don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can learn even more cool words and songs. That will be uploaded every week. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye-bye, little stars.